Hey guys, welcome back. I feel like I haven't sat down and filmed a video in so long. There's just been a lot going on, and then the past week I got sick, so I'm still trying to get over that right now, but I wanted to sit down and film this video because this is something that I really wanted to talk about that I think everybody should know about, and that is Influenster. So this is going to be a unboxing from them, and if you guys don't know what Influenster is, it is a free app that you can download, and literally all you do is just review like makeup products, food, all different kinds of things on there. You review whatever you want, and then you will get sent free stuff. It really is completely free. You don't have to pay for anything at all. You don't have to have any credit cards saved on file and nothing like that. All that happens is that when you're like eligible to receive a box, they send you an email and you have to fill out a survey based on like hair care, makeup, food, whatever, and then you just type in your address, and then if they pick you to receive the box, you get it in the mail. So this is the Herbal Essences VoxBox, and I am so excited about this. I can't wait. And they always send you full-size products too, like no sample size products, nothing. Everything is full-sized. So I am very excited to see what's in here. Obviously I know it's going to be herbal essences, but I'm excited to see what kind of products. Okay, so it looks like there's two things in here. So it always comes just with a little postcard, and then the first thing is a Sheer Moisture Cucumber and Green Tea Shampoo. And this is what I'm talking about by full-size product, and it's completely free, which makes it so amazing. And then after you receive the box, you literally just have to review each product on the app, and then that's it. Oh, and you also have to post a picture to like Instagram or Facebook or somewhere, just basically saying that you received the products for free, which is no big deal at all. And then you will continue to be able to receive free boxes in the future. So this is the third box that I actually got, and I really hope I can keep getting more because every single box I've gotten I've absolutely loved, and I use everything, so very excited. I used to use herbal essences like shampoos, but I haven't in such a long time, so I'm excited to give this one a go. And this one looks really interesting. It's the same cucumber and green tea, but it's a conditioner, but it's a foam conditioner. So this looks very interesting, and it's to use in the shower, so I don't know. This looks like it could be pretty fun, but again, this is a full-sized conditioner. Let's see if I can open this. I might just rip it. Why not? Okay, so this is what it looks like. So I am super excited to try these out. I think you guys should definitely check out Influenster if you haven't already. I'll leave the link for it down below. And also, if you download it through my link, I'll receive, they're called impact points. So basically, the higher impact you have, the more likely you are to receive a box. So basically, just get on the app, like link it to all your social medias and just start reviewing things, and then if you refer friends, you'll get more points or whatever. It's super, super easy to use, and I just love it so much. Who doesn't love getting free things in the mail? Like, it's like Christmas. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you download the app and you can get some free stuff, because I think this is something that just everybody should be doing. And let me just say, this video is not sponsored in any way whatsoever. I just really love the app, and I wanted to come on here and talk about it and share what I got in the box. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time.